This is yet another edition of Relationship Flow with Amarachi Covenants, and today we are going to be talking about a very interesting topic. Guess what it is? Getting over an ex. How do you get over an ex? Just stay tuned and we'll be right back. Guys, is it easy to get over an ex? You've been with this person for a very, very long time. Like, you shared a lot of things together, you've eaten together, you've gone out together, you sometimes you've had your bath together, and so many things like that. And then all of a sudden, you're no longer together because you had one issue or the other. What happened? Somebody is actually gonna be hurt. One person must be hurt. So how do you get over this person? How do you get over this relationship? How do you get over this circumstance? It's really a very difficult task because most times the end of a relationship is usually a very difficult one. What are the things we need to do to get over our ex? So, you know, instead of crying, you do some other things. And some of these things are like going out, meeting our friends, changing your friends, changing environment, talking about it, talking to your family, and then some of those things you left behind in the name of relationship, trying to please your partner, going out, making out time for your partner. Go back to those things you left behind. Go back to those projects. Go back to your education. Some people have forgotten about their education and family because of their relationship. Go back to those things. It's very, very important, and I'm sure they are going to distract you. They are going to take away your attention from um your feelings, what you feel at the moment. They're actually going to help you. And then you cannot someone else cannot actually make you happy if you can't make yourself happy. So the best person to make you happy is yourself. Don't go taking alcohol just to get over your your feelings or the pain. Alcohol cannot help you. It might be momentary because you're drunk, but once you get over the alcohol, you see yourself coming back again. You're recalling what happened before. So alcohol, it's no good area to get rid of or to get over your ex. Don't ask for friendship. There's no point. It's just pointless. Once you get over him or her, automatically you become friends. As long as you no longer have any residual feeling for your partner, your friendship grows automatically. So don't go asking, okay, can we become friends? Can we be friends? You're still hot in inside. Friendship will not help you at all. So what you need to do is to stay away for some time. Stay away. Don't keep begging. Once someone opens his or her mouth and say, we are no more, I don't want this anymore, it's a starting point for ruining a relationship. You can't go for that happily. Something has come in between the two of you. If somebody has already thought of breaking up with you, then that means there must be something, even if it's irrelevant. As long as he or she has said it, I no longer want this relationship for whatever reason. It has been said. That relationship can never remain the same, can never be a happy relationship. So don't keep begging, forget about it. Stay away from the person. If possible, stay away from your mutual friend. Get rid of the contacts. Like, save them somewhere else or hide them somewhere else where you won't be able to see them and recall what happened again. There's no need like destroying the contacts. You can just save them because probably someday you'll be needing it. So just save them somewhere. And there are so many ways you can get over your ex. Talk to your family members, talk to your friends, and please don't jump into another relationship because you're heartbroken. No, that will be another mistake. Just calm down, calm yourself down. If you have to cry, cry, let it out and let it be. Don't allow yourself to be so moody for a long time. If it means taking a vacation, just leave the environment. Go and hang out with people. Go to cinema, watch movies, jogging, and all of that. Anything you need to do to forget about your ex, just do it. It's usually not very easy though, but I know you can do it. You can. There's nothing impossible. It might take a little time, but you will get over it. I mean, you're not even the first person that has been heartbroken before, so you can get over it. There are quite a lot of things you can do to get over your ex, but for now, just stay back. I'll bring you other tips. You also need to know that the same way you can get over an ex might not be the same way the other person will get over his or her own ex. Some people prefer to face the person like often, face the person regularly, and come to accept that yes, you're no longer together. Before you know it, the feelings wipes up, the feelings goes away, the emotional attachment will no longer be there. It happens. So some people like me, I would prefer to face you up and talk with you normally and get to accept that we are no longer together. It's only a matter of time. So guys, we can do it. Stay away from alcohol, like I said before. And always remember that you are not in it alone. We are always in it together. You're not the first person. Some other people must have gone through the same thing you went through, and you know, they handled it, they took care of it. So you can. And it's not the end of the world. If you leave this relationship today, tomorrow, find yourself into a better relationship. And sometimes getting a heartbreak, sometimes this an avenue is a advantage for some people to move on to a higher level. By the time you move on, you find out uh, uh, what was actually wrong in your past relationship. You find out that this next person is actually better than this person. You have a better life now. You understand better. You know better now than in the past. Relationship can be a bondage sometimes, if you understand what I mean. It can blind your eyes from seeing so many things, and that's where people come to say love is blind. But is love actually blind? No, maybe we'll treat that topic some other time. But for now, we are still talking about getting over your ex, and it's possible. Thank you very much for listening, and this is the end of our show for today. Please don't forget to subscribe afterward. And it's still Relationship Flow with Amarachi Covenants. See you again next week. Bye.